I've always loved that peaches and cream, just like rock and roll. You pair 'em up, you're living the dream. They got so much soul. Go together, like you were made for me. We go together, just you is all I need. We go together. We go together. I'm feeling oh so nice. Been waiting all my life. It's good to be alive with you here by my side. We go together. We go together. We go together. Beauty and wonder, feel it all.
College pa lang, hindi mo kami totally nagkakilala. Napunta ako dun sa school. Paras kasi kami yung PUP. Kaya lang ako nasa Maragondon, siya naman sa Manila. So kapag mga exam, nakikisitin ako, nakikita ko na siya.
Nakita kita, nagulat na lang ako. Parang napapansin ko, medyo napapatingin ka sa akin. Siguro nakakit ka kasi sa tingin ko. Sure. Pero if ever lang, yun yung time talaga na napukaw mo yung pansin ko.
Andy, engineer yan, engineer. Lahat engineer na dito. Angeles, engineer.
Boss, thank you, boss.
Good job. Ito para sa'yo, bonus mo, engineer Baltome. Bonus.
Ako yan.
Okay, oh.
Hoy.
Master. Ba, huli ka. Oh, Jeff. Salamat sa pagpunta dito. Ay, wala yung tao to. Ay, hindi, sa'yo.
Ay, akin pa na.
Ano?
Ibigay muna kay Jai. Here you go, Jai. And then next, to Marian. Open the gift. And then Mars. Here's my gift to you. And yours, Bev. And then, next is Jasmine. And Coach Anna. Later name. And then to my maid of honor, Mabel. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Love. Ano? Kinakabahan ka ba ngayon? Huwag kang kabahan. Parehas natin tatahakin tong buhay natin habang buhay. I love you so much, love. You're the best.
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast
love.
to climb.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Got so hard to fall so
Let's
far.
have a, I'm looking forward na magkaroon tayo ng happy moments, more happy moments sa ating family, sa relation natin, sa ating mga magiging anak, na maging maalaga tayo sa isa't isa. And I promise you na I'll give you all my support, my love, only for you. I love you.
My love, kalain mo yun, no? Yung dating crush ko lang before. Ngayon, asawa ko na.
Dear love, mahal, baby. Dapat kanina to. Jamie Lynn Javier muna. Una-una, I love you. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am with you. I love you without knowing how, or when, or from where. I just love you because I know no other way to love you. Malupit. Picture muna, picture. Thank you, love. Love you so much.
Ang mapapangako ko sa'yo, mahal, ay gagawin ko ang lahat para maging mabuting asawa at ina sa magiging future kids natin. Mga 8. Charot. Mga 3 lang po.
Ano to? Ang pause. Wait lang. Pwede mo basahin niyo? Thank you so much, love.
So pretty. A necklace.
Promise to love you unconditionally, to respect and honor you, and to always strive to be the best version of myself for you and for our future family. Sabi mo nga, 8, dagdagan natin. 12. Diba? Basketball team. Laban tayo Olympics.
Hindi kita iiwan. Tayo na talaga hanggang sa huli. Sobrang mahal na mahal. Love you so much.
I look forward to a lifetime of laughter, love, growing old with you. With all my heart, I take you to be my wife. I love you so much and more this time. Jamie Lynn Javier Caraig, your husband, Ninyo Ray Caraig.